Data science and data forecasting in building and construction. Data science and data forecasting play a crucial role in building construction by enabling informed decision-making, optimizing processes, and improving project outcomes. Here are some of the ways that data science and data forecasting are applied in the construction industry. Predictive Analytics. Data science techniques can be used to analyze historical construction data, such as project schedules, costs, and performance metrics to identify patterns and trends. This information can then be used to develop predictive models for various construction activities, such as estimating project duration, identifying potential delays, and forecasting cost. Risk assessment. Data science can help in assessing and mitigating risks associated with construction projects by analyzing historical data, including project parameters, environmental factors, and stakeholder information. Construction companies can identify potential risks and develop strategies to mitigate their impact. This can include predicting safety hazards, including areas prone to accidents, or forecasting budget overruns. Resource optimization. Data forecasting techniques can help optimize the allocation of resources in construction projects. By analyzing historical data, construction companies can predict the demand for labor, equipment, and materials at different stages of a project. This enables better planning, reduces waste, and improves overall efficiency. Quality control. Data science can play a role in ensuring quality control in construction projects by analyzing data from sensors, monitoring devices, and inspection reports. Construction companies can identify patterns that indicate potential quality issues. This allows for early intervention, corrective actions, and continuous improvement. Building performance analysis. Data science can be used to analyze data from smart building systems, sensors, and IoT devices to monitor and optimize building performance. This includes analyzing energy consumption patterns, indoor air quality, and occupant behavior to identify areas for improvement and increase energy efficiency. Supply chain optimization. Data science techniques can optimize the construction supply chain by analyzing data related to suppliers, lead times, transportation costs, and inventory levels. This helps in streamlining the procurement process, reducing delays, and managing costs effectively. Real-time monitoring. Data science enables real-time monitoring of construction projects through the integration of sensors and IoT devices. This allows for the collection of data on various parameters such as temperature, humidity, structural performance, and worker safety. Analyzing this data in real time can help identify potential issues, deviations from plans, and enable proactive decision-making. Overall, data science and data forecasting provide valuable insights in the construction industry, leading to improved project planning, cost control, risk management, and overall project performance. By leveraging data-driven approaches, construction companies can enhance their decision-making capabilities and achieve better outcomes in terms of time, cost, quality, and sustainability.